So here is our new Packing for Space puzzle activity. For this activity, we pair it with our Living in Space outreach presentation that we do, where we talk about how astronauts live, work, and do their daily routine in space while they're living up on board the space station. Packing for space is very important. You have to make sure you get it all in there, and so that's why we decided to build a puzzle activity kind of related to that, to kind of get a student's brain working a little bit, to be able to fit all the pieces within the actual puzzle. So we have 3 different puzzles that we have available. So the first one that we have here in the box, we have these little individual, kind of like little hockey puck pieces. And the idea is to be able to pack them all in there to where they nice and neatly can then get the lid on top. That's always the tricky part. And our second puzzle is probably one of my favorites, where we have this little bitty tiny square that we refer to as our one little package of cookies that NASA is allowing you to take up into space. So you have to figure out how to arrange these other 4 pieces within the puzzle to be able to fit your package of cookies, because you don't want to forget your snack to be able to eat while you're in space. Our last one that we have here is called Fit 4. Think of it as kind of like Tetris, where you have these 4 pieces that kind of resemble a Tetris piece, and you have to fit all 4 of them into this little rectangular area here. It may look like they're not going to fit. I promise they do. This is always the tricky one, to be able to arrange them in one specific way, because it definitely does not appear like they will fit. So that's the tricky part, getting them all 4 to fit in there. And we kind of refer to this as their experiments that they take. So these are those 4 experiments that you absolutely have to take and fit inside of your capsule. So if you are interested in booking one of our Living in Space outreaches, so you can do our Packing for Space activity, go to cosmo.org/outreach to get your outreach booked today. Or if you would like, you can email us at schools@cosmo.org to be able to actually purchase one of our 3D printed Packing for Space puzzle sets that we offer here at the Cosmosphere.